Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix the rate limit reached error on Grok. If you see a rate limit reached message on Grok, it means you've hit the usage limit of your current plan. Grok limits free users to a certain number of requests per day, so to continue using it without interruptions, you need to upgrade. The Super Grok plan gives you 7 days free to test all features, and after that, it costs $3. With this plan, you get longer conversation in chat with Grok 4.1, fast and expert mode, allowing the AI to respond more accurately and handle complex questions. You can also create more images and videos using Imagine 1.0, generating longer videos in 720p quality, and even explore advanced voice modes for narrations or companion chats. The plan also provides priority access during peak times, which means you won't get stuck in queues when the servers are busy. Super Grok users also receive early access to new AI features, so you can try the latest tools and updates before free users. For businesses or professionals who need higher limits, Grok offers a business plan at $30 per month, which comes with extended usage, more AI-generated content, and fast response times. For larger teams or companies, there is an enterprise plan offering premium support, the highest usage limits, and dedicated priority access to all Grok features. Upgrading ensures that you can make the most out of Grok for work, content creation, or personal use without running into interruptions or missing out on advanced tools. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.